Here we will write a Python program to find largest among three numbers using function. So first we will open the IDLE, then we will add new file, and in comment line we will write program description. First we will define function with def keyword and with three parameters. Then we will compare these three variables. So if a greater than b and a greater than c, we will print largest value is a. Else we will check if b greater than a and b greater than c, we will print largest value is b. Else we will print largest value is c. Then we will accept three numbers from the user. So x equal to int input first number. In y we will accept second number. And then we will call the function find largest. And we will pass x, y, z as a parameter value. Then we will save it as find largest, and then we will execute it. I will enter three numbers. It will print largest is 67.